Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to create basic e-commerce flow to list all your products in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. First, you need to add your products. Go to the Flow section, create a simple welcome message and use the e-commerce action to show your products to your customers. There you have it. You just learned how to create a basic e-commerce flow. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.